Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to show description on card. So as you can see, you can add a description to your card, and if you want to simply just have it shown, as you can see, description, and then simply press save, and now it is visible but only this icon. So what if you want the description to be visible whole right here? You will have to use a power-up, so click on power-ups and click on add power-ups. Now search here, show description, and click on this one. Now click on add and then add right here again. Now once this power-up is added, you can simply go right here and your description should be seen. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.